Hi everyone, this is Shin Tech Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your search history on Instagram. Now, let's get started. To clear your Instagram search history, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the search bar at the top. Next, tap See All to view all of your recent searches. If you want to delete individual items, simply tap the X next to the searches you want to remove. Deleting items from your search history can also affect your Instagram algorithm, so those topics may appear less often in your feed or explore page. But if you prefer to clear your entire search history at once, tap Clear All in the top right corner. A confirmation window will appear. Tap Clear All again to confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to clear your search history on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!